Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install and uninstall Discord on your desktop. So let's start. First, open your browser and go to discord.com. In this page, you'll be choosing either download the application or open Discord in your browser. Since you want to install Discord, we have to click this download for Windows button. Then you will see below that the installation file is being downloaded. Once it was downloaded, launch the installer by clicking this arrow up button and hit open. After that, the Discord application will start installing. Here, you will be asked to input your Discord email address or phone number and enter your password. If you are new to this application and doesn't have an account yet, click this one to register. In this prompt, enter your email, username, password, and date of birth. Once you already fill out all of the information, click continue to create your Discord account. But since I already have an account, I'll just go back by clicking this. Then in here, I will enter my email and password. Now that I have already installed Discord, I will now show you how to uninstall Discord completely. First, go to the search bar and search Control Panel. Once it appears, click on it. On this page, under Programs, click Uninstall a program. Here, click Discord and hit this Uninstall button. Wait for it to be uninstalled and try to refresh the page. Once the Discord disappeared, let's go to search bar again and search Run and click it. Here, type %appdata percent and hit OK. In this folder, find the Discord folder, right-click on it, and hit the delete icon. Next, open the run command again. Then type %local appdata percent and hit OK. In this folder, find the Discord folder. Right-click on it and hit delete icon. Once you deleted the Discord folder, restart your system. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to install Discord and uninstall it completely, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.